Well, today is the big day that me and Lindsay have been waiting for. An exciting day. Long couple of months, 9 months to be exact, or a little bit over that. But it has been so exciting that we finally get to go over to downtown Orlando to the Orlando Health Winnie Palmer Hospital that actually specializes in women and babies. Alright, we're sitting here in the hospital waiting for Lindsay to get induced. We can't wait to start this process and actually welcome our baby girl into this world. Alright, we finally made it to day 2 and Lindsay is getting prepared.
It was a very hard morning, but I have the epidural, I'm not feeling any pain anymore, and we're hoping baby girl will be here really soon. Please!
We just got out of labor and delivery. The baby and Lindsay are both sleeping, so I'm trying to be a little quiet right now. It was perfect though. The baby was born at 6:37 a.m., 7 pounds and 14 ounces, 20.5 inches long. What a beautiful little girl. And we'll show you in just a little bit what this girl looks like and then go over her name and Lindsay's experience so far. We just got back home and we had to put Max and Roxy outside so that we could welcome to the world Amelia. Here's her name right there next to those amazing flowers that Lindsay found on Etsy. But here she is in her crib. She is so precious. Sleeping. She's had a long couple of days.
So we went in on Sunday to be induced to have this beautiful girl. It was a very long few days. Labor all day Sunday, all day Monday, and then finally Tuesday morning, bright and early, this little one made her appearance. I am very blessed and thankful for the doctors and nurses and team at Winnie Palmer Hospital, as well as my team of doctors and our support system. Times were tough, it was long, but it is absolutely so worth it in the end.
Well, thank you so much for coming along with us and welcoming Amelia to the world. We are excited to have her join our family and of course, join future episodes of this channel. But if you did like today's adventure, make sure you subscribe to the channel because there'll be plenty more of Amelia and Lindsay. And make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and hit that notification button so you're notified every time we come out with a future video. Thank you so much, and we're gonna go take it easy.